Here's a song where many people did die for Ireland during the uprising in 1798. That rising, they were actually very close to winning. The people in the north rose up under the United Irishmen, and United being Protestants and Catholics together, and in fact, much of the leadership was Protestant. And the East and the Southeast, under Father Murphy and a lot of others, they had many significant military victories, and they were actually marching toward Dublin. And the French had landed a regiment in Connaught, and they had picked up a lot of people from Connaught volunteers and were heading toward Dublin also. Unfortunately, Lord Cornwallis, who had been defeated by Washington, was much more successful in Ireland and put the rebellion down. But there was one part of Ireland that did not rise up, and that was the southwest, or the province of Munster. And this song, it comes from that period. It's in the form of a letter written to the people of Munster asking, where are you? What's going on? Have you been blinded by a magical fog? We can't sing our victory song unless all of us joined in together to achieve this victory. Majin Luain Kinkishan de Lauer on Shifra Saglaun de Valadar na Kaga Hunaochta Yenevan de Krinemer Nardim Povis Lassamer Zdogamer Kjodrikta Gahiving Osagin Kawil Namwine No Anfirga married Bio Narkrin and Shid Nardimpo Gas Kauruling Saglo Maris Jacker Puerto Strika No Clonagel Dohime On our meal to Duchas Delish Viegar Cinci Fado, like our ancestors long ago.